carpet, Ladies and Draven, Ivan, and Aston.
Donya! Si Mama! Donya!
With a beautiful kids
Alam mo
that we
may
have.
may-ari ng hacienda
There's
eh.
no happiest person in this world except this beautiful Lola. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the magical carpet, Lola Norma Pagano.
Donya eh. Si Mama.
The Lola is not alone. Here we have in the red carpet, the brother of the celebrant, Mr. and Mrs. Michael Bentino. There you have, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Michael Bentino. The happiest couple of the year. The proudest parents of the celebrant. Ladies and gentlemen, with your biggest applause, please welcome Daddy Sunny and Mommy Martini. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, Mom and Dad. Ladies and gentlemen, your excitement is not yet over. Can you face in at our big screen?
Big
Can
screen.
you please face on our big screen because Nicole has prepared a very magical presentation for you before children in.